Today I'm reviewing one of the best Microbrand watches, the Monta Atlas. Let's go. Ryan here from Little King Watches, and I'm so happy to unbox and give you a quick peek and maybe a little bit of a review of my new watch for me, which is going to be, it gives it away right here on this beautiful box, but it is a Monta. So I'm actually gonna take this fully out. So I got the outer box out, and now I have this inner box, which is just like a stunning reflective, almost looks like a tiger eye wood. This is great. Didn't expect this from a microbrand. Monta is an incredible microbrand, by many considered to be one of the best microbrands. Now I will say, this is not completely brand new. This is from 2019, but it is new to me. And one of the values of Monta is the fact that they make incredible watches. The quality, the fit and finish, all of that is highly, highly regarded, but they are so affordable on the secondary market. So it comes with this beautiful Monta microfiber cloth. Ta-da! It is the, I had this issue before too, getting it out. It is the Monta Atlas with the charcoal dial, but we'll go into that in great detail in a little bit. There's some extra links right here, which is gonna come in handy. This is actually an additional band that I got with the watch. So one of the nice things about going down the pre-owned market is that you get things like this. This is actually made by Everest or Everett. Ooh, I don't 100% know, but that's the company that was founded before Monta, so they were already making straps, and this is a factory strap designed for this watch. So would definitely change up the look of the watch. In here, there's going to be the warranty card info in here, and then you're gonna have owner's manual in here with information on how to set the time, the date, all of that fun stuff. The Monta Atlas, an absolutely stunning watch. Couldn't get over the feel, the fit, the finish, and the thinness, but I'll dive into all of that. So this is the new style clasp. So you're gonna see the Monta emblem here on the back. You're gonna pop that up. It's very satisfying. And then you're going to pop it up a second time, and then it's going to want to release. Now, you're gonna see here, like I said, the Monta here. It also is gonna say Monta on the inside. I also noticed on a few of these places, like here, the original owner never took the plastic off, which is nice. It does have the micro adjust as well. You're gonna pull this down, 1, 2, and then the 3 position that I had it in, which shows me that I have to add in 1 link. The band is, they call it on the website, the most comfortable band you'll ever own. Look at the articulation in this thing, unbelievable. It is so silky. It is this brushed, tapered finish. So it's gonna start at a 20 at the top, and it's gonna finish at a 16, oh, what was that? 16 towards the clasps. So that is absolutely great. The whole watch itself is going to be, let's do some dimensions if we have the calipers out. 38.7 across, and lug to lug 48. So now you can look this stuff up, but I think it's always kind of cool and important to look at that. It has the glass case back, which is going to be the Monta M series movement, but it's really just a modified Salida, which is amazing because that means the surface cost is going to be low. Just a really good quality Swiss movement that will not cost a fortune one day to service, very reliable. 150 meters of water resistance. It has a date feature at 6 o'clock, which is, I know, a little bit controversial, but my absolute favorite placement for a date feature. And it is, I'll see if I can just zoom in a little bit. It is super well finished. So it's not just cut out. You have a reflective trim that's actually around the dial, gives us some depth. I've seen some that are color matched, so black date wheel. This is a white date wheel. Just absolutely a great watch. A screw down crown with that 150 meters of water resistance. So you're gonna notice that it has a very large sword hand for the hour, and it's going to have a long style hand for the minute. And you're gonna see that this actual other hand here with the bend in it, how cool is that, is actually gonna be the GMT function. And then you have a sweeping second hand. But let's just get this back. See if we can get there we go. And there goes the second hand. I just gotta wipe it off because I have apparently dirty fingers. So it has these applied indices, large ones at 12, 3, and 9, and larger ones all the way around. The loom on this is absolutely incredible. It has this kind of like cupcake is what they call it, shaped crown, or brushed sides, brushed bracelet, some polished features here and there to give it a little bit of light reflection, but it is an absolutely stunning watch. The wrist is 6.75, and this wears absolutely perfect. So I remember I said the watch actually wears great, but that's at the larger setting, so it gives me no micro adjust. So I do have to put in an extra link, which I'll do a video on, but just wears absolutely phenomenal on this. Because it's only, well, I'll do it in a second, but because it's so thin, it goes under a dress cuff. It has that sporty vibe to it, but could also be dressed up a little bit. I absolutely love this thing. Okay, sorry, I forgot to do the thickness measurement. 10.7. Okay, some of their models were even under 10, which is amazing. I think like 9.8. Monta is based out of St. Louis, but with Swiss, where he said Solita movements, and just a great bang for your buck. I now understand why this is one of the most well-known or respected micro brands. I cannot get over the fit and finish. I just showed a family member this today who, you know, has some very expensive watches, and he was blown away at the quality and the fit and the finish. It's gonna be something that's gonna be in my collection for a while. Really scratched that itch because I had nothing on a metal band, but just an absolutely great watch that I think that more should look into. They also make the Triumph, and they just released the Noble, which kind of fit similar vibe, but a little bit of different aesthetics. So those are also things that you could look at as well if you wanted to get into the Monta world. But wow, unbelievable bracelet, unbelievable watch, and a great piece to my collection. Thanks for checking it out.